Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'm going to introduce the clothing cards. The clothing cards come in a set of 60 flashcards, as well as this giant poster. The flashcards themselves come with common items of clothing like t-shirt, sweater or skirt, as well as other clothing like kimono, turban and sombrero. The cards themselves can be used to teach what are you wearing. For example, I'm wearing a scarf, I'm wearing a shirt, and so on and so forth. This works best when giving the student more than one card. For example, I'm wearing a jacket and a belt. Try different combinations to have fun in your classroom. As well as this sentence pattern, other sentence patterns can be used too. For example, what color is your jacket? As well as clothing, other items are also available, like bag, handbag, briefcase, purse, wallet. For these items, we do not use wearing, but we use I have. Try and introduce cards like these after introducing I am wearing. Why not cut the word away from the card to create a matching game? If you like these flashcards, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com, where you can find these as well as hundreds of other flashcards available absolutely free. Thank you.